Hey there, Avra here with Cami. Are you aware of the Annotation Bank in Cami? The Annotation Bank is a place where teachers can store any annotation that they create or bring into Cami. So for example, images, things that they draw, recordings they create, whether they're audio or video or screen capture, all of that can be saved and used again and again. Let's take a look at the possibilities. Let's use this photosynthesis activity as an example. If you'll notice over here on the right-hand side, we have some elements that this teacher has created within Cami. Every element, whether it's a drawing or a voice comment or a video comment or an image that they bring in, all of those are considered annotations. And these annotations can be saved to something called the Annotation Bank. Let's look at how we save them. If you'll notice up here in the top right of this voice comment, we have a little file box icon. When we click this, it allows us to give this a name, and then we can click Save to Annotation Bank. That is the same whether we're saving an image or a drawing or anything at all. Let's look at where that gets saved. Up in the top left, you'll notice that there is a toggle sidebar button. It's immediately to the right of the word Cami, and when I click it, it toggles open a new sidebar. There are several different options in this sidebar, including the ability to see all of the pages of our document, as well as an annotation summary, which we talk about in another video. And then here is our Annotation Bank. And this is where all of the things that we save get stored. So we can save them out here, just kind of in the general area, or we can create these folders. So you can see up at the very top, there's a folder icon. This allows us to make a new folder and give it a name. And then any of our images or videos or drawings can be dragged into that folder. So let's open up the photosynthesis folder here, and let's add some elements to this assignment. Let's create an additional resources page for students. So here is a diagram that the teacher has brought in and saved. That can be brought in and moved around, as well as a YouTube video. That can be brought in and moved around as well. And there's even a link here to a YouTube video, and that could also be brought in, and it ends up over here in the margin, so that way, if you wanted to, you could put it up on a page that has not a lot of room for the video to actually be on the page. We can put it over here in the margin. So in other videos, we can talk more about all of the different options in terms of how to set up a learning activity for students. But the focus of this video is really just for you to know that there is an annotation bank here where you can store any annotations that you create or that you import into Cami, and you as the teacher can use them again and again. Students don't have access to an annotation bank, teachers do. Thanks for watching.